Okay, you've done your SWOT analysis about your career, and now I'd like you to write a reflection paper on what I'm calling a critical incident, which is something that's happened to you in your career, and to have you reflect on it and think about your reaction to and how this incident impacted you. You can see it's due October 13th. Well, I give you a definition of a reflection paper in which you reflect. A definition of a critical incident. I cover the 6 topics that we've covered thus far. And what I'm asking you to do is to take any 2 of these and write a 10 to 12 page reflection paper. You would have 3 questions that you would answer. And over here are the headings which correspond to the questions. And then create a mind map. Now, a lot of people have done it different ways. It does appear to me that the easiest way is to grab a piece of paper and a pencil. And that way you can erase in what you want and insert it, take a picture of it or scan it, insert it. There's so many different ways done, by different people at different times. And there's the rubric. I really will put the emphasis on, did you really reflect and analyze? These are kind of like the simple things. I think you know that I freak out if I get a paper with lots of red squiggly things telling me it was never edited. My other students are using a tool that's free called Grammarly, and Grammarly self-corrects for you at a higher rate than MS Word will self-correct for you. At any rate, that's it. If you have questions, I'm always available. Thank you.